Hello and welcome everybody in today's video. In it, we'll be showing you how to deposit money into your Binance account. Before we do that, I'd like to quickly mention one of our sponsors for today's video, MEXC. If you want to trade crypto fast, they're the guys for you. Check them out, link is down below. Also, FTMO. If you want to trade with other people's money, if you want to keep the profits for yourself, check them out. They will lend you up to 200k of other people's money if you can prove to them that you are a capable trader and you have the needed knowledge and skill, to do that, and you can keep up to 90% of the profits for yourself. Alright, back to Binance. So, many of you probably want to start trading, but you have to get some funds before that into your Binance account. To do that, head over to your wallet and click Overview. Once you do that, you'll be taken to your main page, and here you can see how much funds you have in total in USD in your wallet. Of course, the currency can be changed, and you just have to go to the right top corner and click deposit, the yellow box. So there are two methods of depositing crypto. You can deposit via crypto deposit or fiat deposit. First, I'll show you how to do, more likely to explain how to do with crypto. Click on crypto deposit, and here you can select different coins, but you must have first another wallet that you can send funds to this one, or have someone else do that. For example, you've paid someone real life cash for them to transfer the cryptocurrency to you or something like that, but this is only done if you have one wallet transfer to another. And you can select multiple types of coins that are supported by the Binance market. For example, here you have some Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, and EOS. If you select, for example, Bitcoin, it will request a network. Each coin supports different networks, and depending on what network you're using, the fees will be different, as well as the time of arrival, etc., and other factors. But the most important thing is, when you select a network, for example, let's select the BEP20 network, you'll be given an address. You must give this address to the sender, or you must type this address into your other wallet and be the exactly same address. You can copy it from here, and you must be on the same network. You can't send from one network to another, and the address must be correct, or you will lose your coins. You'll probably send them to somebody else and you won't be able to get them back. So what you do is select the proper network on both accounts, and on the deposit box for the sender, you give this address to them. Of course, you can do this with Ethereum, which supports different networks. You can do this with any other coin. If you want another coin to do that, you can just simply deposit and search for them. For example, if you want Dodo, Doge, ADA, Ripple, etc., it can be done with any, and it depends on what networks they support. So that's pretty much it for crypto. If you want to deposit directly from your bank account, you can go to deposit fiat and select your currency. If it will be USD, Euro, Great British Pound, the Turkish Lira, all of them which are supported. And you type in the amount that you want, for example. So you can use also advanced cash balance, but most people use just SEPA or via bank card. Let's show with SEPA. Okay, I'm not gonna complete this now. Oh, it's basically just fulfilling your information that it's required from you. or via bank card. I'm pretty sure most of you done online shopping is the same, but the problem here is that it's fixed. You can't type any. I think it was 50, 110, etc. Not quite sure. Oh no, you can type it. Okay, my mistake. Yeah, I think there was just a minimum of 15. Yeah, there it is. So for example 50, and you deposit via the card, and that's it. You have for example 50 euro in your fiat and spot wallet, and after that you just have to go and buy different cryptocurrencies with the fiat currency, and that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. Have a nice day.